In today's video, I'll be going to open market to get big pot for myself. Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. If it's your first time in my channel, my name is Temi and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be going to open store as I said earlier to get big pot. So they showed this big pot to me, but it's so light. I don't like it because I'm afraid that it might get burnt. So I'm trying to explain to the shop owner that I need something different, so he showed this to me. I really love this type of pot because I have the small one at home. So they said this is 46 euros and I asked for the bigger one if they have the bigger one, so they showed this to me and it's 50 euros. So I was like, okay, let me just get this bigger one because just 4 euro different. And yeah, I got it. And so I do some aroro. So they sold it for me for 47 euros. So I got this, but I did not get the cover. I thought the cover I have home is going to fit the pot, but trust me, it didn't fit it. This pot is way bigger than the cover, so I got this for 47 euro. It's supposed to be 50 euro, so I do some arrow. So this is me trying to pay the money, and see here they gave me 3 euros. All right fans, so this is second day. Yesterday I went to open market to get pots, and I got these big pots. You guys should look at this. Like, it's so big. When I bought it home, my husband was like, are you going to do party? I said, you guys cannot understand. No woman can understand when you have big pot to cook food. Yeah, so I got this big pot, but I made some mistake yesterday. I didn't get the cover because I thought the big pot I have at home is going to, the cover is going to work well for this. Unfortunately, it couldn't work for it. So this is the cover. Let me show you guys. This is the cover, and like the thing enter inside. It enter. Look at this. I thought it's going to go well because the pot, this very pot, I'm going to show you guys. Look at this pot. Anytime I'm using to cook jollof rice, it always burn my food. Like, so I said no, I've had enough of this. So, and I got this for 50 euros. Look at the price inside. Can you guys see it? This is the price. Here, look. So I got it for 50 euro. The small one they sold it for 40. How much? 42 euros. I was like, okay, let me get this. This is just 8 euro difference. So I was like, let me get it since just 8 euro difference. So I got this. So I'm going to go back the next week to get the cover. I just pray the cover should not be expensive as this pot. Okay, then I went to African store yesterday to get my carton of turkey as usual. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and yeah, let me even tell you guys something. The one I chopped last month, so this is the remaining one. I still have 11 pieces left. I have 5 here, 2, 4, 5. Okay, 5 here, and this. That's I have 11 pieces left out of 35 pieces. So I have 11 pieces left, and yeah, so I've got another carton. No matter how we eat it, like I'm thinking that the one that will be winning from here, and this was going to take it for next month. That is to say, I'm not going to chop for next month. Like, I'm not going to buy turkey for next month. But let's see the shop. And I got this. Is it not Scotch pepper? Yeah, habanero pepper. I got it for 3 euro. Is it not 3 euro 50 cents or 3 euro 20 cents? And I have this curry powder for 1 euro 50 cents. Yeah. And that's it. So let's open this together. Big one. Oh my god, this is so big that oh my god, how many is this? Big. Look at this. Like, we are in cold time, so this is cold. So this is the second day. I made my hair by myself and I went to the supermarket and African store. Alright fam, so I'm going to show you guys what I got from African store and supermarket. You guys should know my face. Like, I'm not feeling fine. I'm just trying to put some energy. You guys can see it's written all over my face. So yeah, I'm so sorry. So sorry, so sorry. Alright, so this is pando yam. I got it for 16 euro. Yeah. Tell me how much you are getting pando yam on your side. I got it for 16 euro. I was like, 16 euro is too much. I don't know that it don't cost as in don't expensive like that. So yeah, that is for 16 euros. So I got this 2 liter of palm oil. I got it for 10 euro 50 cents. 10 euro 50 cents. So and 1 carton of Indomie for 12 euro. Yeah. So I have this for 3 euro 99 cents, 4 euro. This is jig Canadian in Italy to wash clothes, to wash ground, something like that, anything white, to clean anything white at all. Alright, so this is for African store. Let's say that. Oh, I'm putting this one. Let's set this aside. Okay. Alright, so I got this crayfish for 250 cents. I really don't have crayfish again. The one my hubby brought from Nigeria last year. It's finished, so I got this for 250 cents. Okay. Alright, so these are the stuff I got from supermarket. I have one milk. I can't carry more than my power, so these are the stuff I can carry. This morning my hand was tweaking because I wasn't feeling fine and I was trying to go and do some grocery. Nobody's at home, so I just have to do it by myself. Like, so I have to spinach here. This is the spinach I use. I always use. Yeah, so this is the spinach. I have to. So I got two. And I have this apple for 2 euro 99 cents, 3 euros. The reason why I got this bread, they are on discount. They sold it for 77 cents. Yeah, so I got two. Based on I want to make bread and I've already get all my ingredients down, so I didn't pack anything. So I just got two. Let me show you guys. This is my ingredients if I want to make bread. This is dry yeast. Let me show you guys in case you like to get it. This is dry yeast. I have to pack. Then I have my signature fish, my normal fish, and one meat. I just want to prepare small spinach. I'm not going to carry that along with me in that. Maybe I'll just make it a short video. Maybe, yeah. So because I already draw video now to cook this spinach. So yeah, and I have this pepper. I think I got it for 3 euro 40 cents. Just 3 pepper. As a matter of fact, they are on sale on this pepper. I was like, if una dey on sale, I put them for 3 euro something. What if not dey on sale? Maybe it will be 5 euro. So I got it for 3 euro 40 cents. I supposed to carry gas on it, but I couldn't feel. I wasn't feeling that energy. So I got this. How much did I get this on you? 1 euro something. I really don't remember. Yeah, so alright, so I'm trying to arrange everything so that everywhere will be clean and clear. I think I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay well, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you come across this channel for the first time. And if you have already subscribed, please don't forget to share and like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.